A 2025 clinical report reveals a shocking cause of joint pain that most doctors still ignore: microplastics. These invisible nanotoxins enter your bloodstream through food, water, and even clothing, and once inside, they lodge between your joints, muscles, and ligaments, triggering chronic inflammation and pain. This explains why creams, painkillers, and even surgeries often fail. They don't kill joint pain at the root because they don't remove the real cause. Now, a breakthrough joint rejuvenation protocol is changing everything. Developed by a world-renowned surgeon, this natural formula helps your body flush out microplastics and regenerate damaged tissue without drugs or injections. The protocol works in 3 phases. First, it delivers nutrients that activate your immune system to target and eliminate microplastics. Then, it reduces inflammation and restores mobility. Finally, it rebuilds cartilage and strengthens your joints from within. Thousands are calling it the best supplement for joint pain, and for good reason. People are reporting pain-free mornings, restored flexibility, and even weight loss and better sleep. Some say they feel 20 years younger. This isn't about masking symptoms, it's about removing the root cause and giving your body the tools to heal itself. Whether you suffer from arthritis, stiffness, or limited mobility, this natural joint pain relief protocol is helping people of all ages reclaim their freedom. If you've tried everything, from anti-inflammatory gummies to expensive therapies, and nothing worked, it's not your fault. The real enemy was hiding in your joints all along. Discover how this doctor-designed solution is helping thousands flush out microplastics, restore mobility, and kill joint pain at the root, naturally.